Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error Roblox Black Screen PC. Chapter 1. How to fix error Roblox Black Screen PC temporarily deleting. To begin, in the search box enter %temp%, click on File folder. Here, select the Roblox folder, click Delete to delete this folder. Chapter 2. How to fix error Roblox Black Screen PC deleting files from the drive. To start, enter the command cleanger in the search box. Click on Disk Cleanup, select the C drive, and wait for the analysis to be load. After, check the desired boxes and click OK. You will need to confirm this process by clicking on Delete Files to delete those items. Chapter 3. How to fix error Roblox Black Screen PC configuring Roblox settings. To begin, right-click on the Roblox player shortcut and select Properties. Now in the Compatibility tab, check the boxes, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. Chapter 4. How to fix error Roblox Black Screen PC deleting Roblox permissions. To start, open Chrome, click on the menu and click on Settings. After, you are going to go to Privacy and Security, then select Third-Party Cookies. In this section, click on See All Site Data and Permissions. Here, search for Roblox and when select, click on the trash icon to delete it. You need to confirm this action. Chapter 5. How to fix error Roblox Black Screen PC reinstalling Roblox. To begin, press Start and select Settings. In the Apps section, click on Installed Apps. After, locate Roblox Player, click on the three dots to choose Uninstall. Click Uninstall again. Wait for this process finished. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now go to the link that we left you in the video description. Here, click on Download Windows app. When the file downloads, click on it and click Run. You can wait for Roblox to be installed. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.